Hi everybody, as requested, here's Matthew and Rosie. So we're going to do a wee walk through, show everybody our animals. So Nathan is here. Nathan is here with Peanut. So this is Peanut, this is our newest little kitten. Hello. Here's Cleo. We've got her sister Lily. I'll try and find her in a wee minute. This is Eggy. She's our bearded dragon. And Eggy loves salad and bugs.
I'm going to take you through to see Lily. Just up on Matthew's pillow. It's a little pussy cat. See her? It's a little pussy cat.
This is Lily. This is Cleo's sister.
My little pussy cat.
She loves belly rubs.
We've got 3 more animals. Lagos, Coco and Lexa. It's my turn.
Where are they just now? Where's Raggles, Coco and Lexi, and what kind of animals are they?
Cats. The cats. The cats. They're somewhere out there.
Right, and they're out just now. So how many cats have we got all together?
So we've got 5. Raggles, Lily, Lexi, Cleo, and Kitten. So 5.
Plus 1.
6.
Yes.
I'm going to take you through to see the animals in the living room. Nathan, nobody.
So, what are these, Nathan?
They're chinchillas.
Right. And what's their names?
This one's Snowball and this one's Chinchilla.
And like Snowball and Chinchy are a little bit dirty just now because I have not managed to clean them out.
And the poop.
And the poop a lot. So, yep, that's those two.
This is Ghost.
That's Ghost.
And this one's Gecko.
And this is Leo.
Yep. Gecko.
Let me see Leo.
Leo? No, Leo. No.
There he is. And they are what?
Gecko.
What kind of geckos do you know?
Leopard tail.
Leopard geckos, well done. And what do they eat?
This one has crickets.
Crickets.
And worms.
Crickets and
This one
worms.
has a fat tail.
He has got a fat
They
tail.
also eat Mario worms.
They do. And you notice how they're different colours, look. So these two, it's called different morphs.
This one
and
has
we've got,
a brio tail.
yep, we've got
And
Leo,
that
and
one's
he's a
all-
normal one, and this one is a different morph, and this is an albino or a half albino,
Yeah.
and this is Ghost. So in here, this is our Pac-Man frog, and I don't know if you could see him, because he's hiding way here in the corner. We'll see if we can get him out. Here he is.
He is bitey.
And his name is Pac-Man.
Because, he bites.
And you need to be very careful when you're holding him because sometimes, oh, he's picked on my
My
hand.
name's Pac-Man.
Sometimes he thinks your finger is a worm.
Sausage.
And he eats mice and worms.
This is your mini and this is your tag. It's 39 degrees.
So this is Hermione, our snake. And do you know what kind of snake she is?
No.
She's a
Corn snake.
corn snake. Well done. And what does Hermione eat?
Mouse.
Mice. Well done. This is Hermione, and this is where she lives.
Can you see her little tail? Can you see her little tail? I'm going to bring you outside to see my animals.
Rosie, where are we going?
Outside. This is now what we're coming outside.
Right, so who's this over here then?
So
What's this thing down here?
it's a hawk. It's a dog. It's a big dog.
So this is Max, and this is our dog.
It's a big fat dog.
And his favourite game is...
Football.
right.
And we're going
Down here, are our
We're
ferrets.
coming around here. And you'll be able
We'll see.
We're about to come around here.
I don't know if people can
Now,
see it. Oh, they can see in here. So this
you
is where
see
our
here?
ferrets live.
Yep,
This is their
ferrets.
house. This
Now,
is their
if you
playhouse.
look down under there, you
Here
will
they
see
come.
them.
Hello,
Ferrets.
Hello, you two.
They're over down there. See them. Is this Buttercup and Daisy? The yellowest one is Buttercup, which bites,
Mm-hmm.
and the other one's Daisy, which is really sweet.
There they come.
Hello,
Like, hello, babies.
Daisy.
Hi.
Okay, now we'll have guinea pigs.
Mhm.
Some guinea pigs and some rabbits.
So this is the animal garden.
Welcome to.
And we'll show you. This here is the fence and the gate into the animal garden.
Secured by a special lock.
A lock to keep what out?
And if you go back, to keep foxes out of the animal garden.
Welcome to the animal garden.
garden.
That's kind of falling apart right now, isn't it? Right.
Yeah.
So-
Now, move out the way.
Right.
Now, if you come in, the bunny come out. I'll shut the gate behind you. See, there's a special lock.
There's a lock here to keep it shut.
We have a farm.
We have not got a fun. So, oh, here we go. This is the one we were
have
looking for. So who's this?
Kanga.
Kanga.
And Storm.
This is our big bale of hay that we just keep out here all the time so they can munch. Storm's hiding down here.
Storm's right there. We also have fast.
Oh, milkshake. So what have we got? How many rabbits and how many guinea pigs?
We've got 4 rabbits and 6 guinea pigs. No, don't. This is Caramel, a really scared little one. What did you know? Oh, can you get me on? Well, she.
I don't know where the rest of them are.
Now I'll get the other one.
Oh, they're all in there.
Oreo. No, Oreo. Yeah. Which one?
Now all the food's kind of empty because what do we have to do every morning and every night?
Clean all of that
Feed them. So
Bye.
we feed them in the morning and by the end of the day what happens?
We'll feed them again.
Feed them again because why? Because why?
Because they eat all the food. They're big and chunky.
Mm-hmm. So this is the end of the day.
Oreo's the chunky. Just to let you know.
This is the end of the day, isn't it? So all their bowls are empty and they're all needing redone again. You can.
This is Oreo,
Oreo?
which is the daddy. We have no mummies, because then, well, you know.
We don't want babies.
And we'll
No.
have a baby cat like you saw.
Mm-hmm. This is Snow. And I don't know if you've noticed, but there's something very strange in here that's not supposed to be in here, Rosie. What's that?
Easter bunny!
This is an egg
Which
from...
the chickens go in, well, you know, legs.
Right.
And then Mr. Chippers, and guess why you call Mr. Chippers?
Why?
Because he's really chubby. Look at those cheeks.
It's very chubby. Right, move on. Who's next? Who have we not seen? There. We had a bit of a clue. It's in there. What's in there that's not supposed to be in there? Look,
Boxes.
what's in here?
Chickens.
Right.
So we're going to show you our chickens.
Right, so where are they?
About in the garden.
Let's go chicken hunting. Where are the chickens?
The chickens.
Where are they?
One that you see the chickens. They're probably around. Oh, here, chicken. Yeah.
Oh, do you know where they'll be? Do you know where they'll be? Come with me, come with me.
Yeah.
What time is it? What time is it?
I don't know.
Bedtime.
Bedtime.
So where will they be if it's bedtime?
I'll take them. Right. Okay. Come.
So this is the Fluffy Butt Hut. Tells you there.
It tells you
Up here, over here. Fluffy Butt Hut.
Where?
Let's go in.
There's one of the chickens.
Right, so look, this is where our chickens live. This is the chicken coop.
If you come in, you can see.
And it tells you there. It's the Fluffy Butt Hut. And this is where our chickens live. So who's this?
This one's Steve.
Uh-huh.
One of those two.
Well done a minute because I don't know if you could see.
No, look. This. Put on the flash.
That's better. There's an awful lot of chicken poop in here.
Karen.
One,
Why
two,
she's called
three,
Karen?
four,
Because she's such a Karen.
We'll have
This
5
one-
chickens.
And we don't have a name for this one nor this one. This one is Flappy.
Hmm.
This one is
Karen.
Karen's the light brown one, isn't she?
this one is. Well, I don't have a name for that one. I like calling that one Spots. Yeah, her name's Spots.
And
Now
that
let's
one's
see if-
Karen.
Now, if you come down here, there might be some eggs.
Let's have a look.
Now look, there's
Oh, there is an egg.
a cozy egg.
Hmm.
That's been laid a while ago because it's a bit cold.
Is it going cold?
And a bit warm.
And the chickens have a really long
See if
time
it-
running around.
Mm.
That was the daddy's one.
Yeah,
The baby chick, but it died and its dad had a heart attack.
No, it didn't die yet.
Are you?
I think that's everything, isn't it?
Um,
So, is that the end?
Yep.
So that's all of our animals?
The end.